as you've seen in my fabulous intro, we're going to be transforming this hair. This hair comes from Westkiss. You guys see me rock this hair about a week or two ago. It was 26, 26, 28, 28, and a 20-inch 4x4 lace closure. I went ahead and made some baby hair in the front. You guys seen all the details on this hair. I'll have that review in the description bar. Sometimes you gotta like shift your wig a little bit, make sure the parting looks straight. But as you guys seen in the intro, I'm gonna be turning the hair blonde in the front, a little bit of blonde highlights. I think this is a really great way to, an easy and great way to go ahead and transform your hair. It's perfect for the spring or the summertime, and it's very easy. So you just part off the hair that you want to go ahead and transform. The great thing about this is we are going blonde, but if you hate it, you can just go ahead and buy a box of black or brown box dye and turn it right back to the original color. If you don't like it, you can dye it again. You could turn it red, pink, blue. You can just switch it up and do different things. But go ahead and make sure that parting is straight. Kind of step back and look at it and make sure you're not going to regret, what you've bleached. Because at the end of the day, after you bleach it, if you find that you need a little bit more, you can do that. I use my BW bleach and a 40 volume developer. I think that one's from Ion. I've been trying to try different brands of bleaches and developers to see what I like most. So I'm going to take 2 huge healthy scoops of that powdered bleach. The only thing about BW bleach is it does have a really bad kickback. It does like get in your nose and burn. So if you want to use something that's a little bit more high quality, go ahead. I couldn't find my brush at the moment, so I went ahead and used the back of the spoon. Got that mixed up very well. You want the texture to be like, kind of soupy, a little bit thicker than soupy. Not as thick as you would use for bleaching the knots. But, it really doesn't matter with this if it is like too thick or too thin because it's going to bleach regardless. It's just a matter of, if you put a more developer, it might bleach a little bit faster. So I kind of wanted to show you guys on camera what I was doing, literally applying the bleach to the hair. If you're going to be doing your bleaching process with your hair like on your head or standing up on a mannequin head, you don't want to make it too wet because it's going to just drip everywhere on the floor. So if it is kind of pasty, it'll stick to the hair and not drip and get everywhere. I did take the wig off after that clip and go ahead and finish and get it all the way to the root. And this is what I got. I let the bleach stay on the hair for about 30 minutes, covered with foil. After that, I took the bleach out. And then I went ahead and washed it with the purple shampoo. I washed it one time with the purple shampoo, and then I applied the shampoo one more time, and I let the shampoo stay on the hair because the purple is going to tone the hair for about 20 minutes. The hair was a little bit more orange, so letting the purple stay on for an extra 20 minutes kind of toned the hair without using a toner. If you don't like this hair color, go ahead and use like a T27 or maybe even a T18, and it'll cancel out more of that orange and give you more of a ashy blondie kind of color and less of the orangey color. But I actually liked this color for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my favorite flat iron. I love this flat iron, and I'm going to go ahead and silk press the hair. The hair is amazing. You guys have seen this hair, and you guys absolutely love the texture of this hair. This is amazing hair, but you also have to go ahead and give it a nice silk press. So for time's sake, I've already done the opposite side of my hair at curling. I'm taking my Hot Tooth curling iron. This is the XL Barrel. I believe this is 1 1/4 inch. I'll have everything linked in the description bar. But I'm just making, really long Shirley Temple curls. It is very hard to curl hair this long. Again, this is 26, 26, 28, 28, and a 20-inch 4x4 lace closure. So you will find that it is hard to curl the hair. Try to do as small sections as you can. Make sure that the hair is already straightened. It also may help to use a holding spray. I like to put a little bit of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum in each section. That way it'll have, a little moisture to it. I find that when the hair is too clean, sometimes it's harder to hold a curl. I don't know if that makes any sense. But I am just doing these little long Shirley Temple curls all over. What you'll find is that the curls will drop a little bit faster unless you pin curl. So the main objective is pretty much to get the curls at the ends of the hair, like halfway down the hair towards the ends. And we're almost done. You see those 2 little horns I have at the top of my head. I went ahead and curled the fronts first and pin curled them. That way they have a long time to set. And my daughter says hello, guys. It's Saturday for us, so we're going to head out pretty soon. Also, another tip is maybe take the wig off if it's not adhered to your head and do it on a mannequin head. This will help for you to not get tired. It's so much easier to go ahead and curl your hair on a canvas head. These are kind of messy curls. Again, I kind of just went ahead and curled really quickly because I wanted the bigger picture of nice messy curls, because I knew if I tried to do uniform curls they probably would not stay perfect because the hair is so long and full. But to my surprise, this hair absolutely held the curl. I did this hairstyle maybe about 4 days ago, and I wore this hairstyle for 2 days following, and the curls lasted. Now, of course, on day 2 they were not perfect still, but you're going to see how they fall and drop. The next 2 days I kind of had really nice beach waves, and you can go in and like touch up a few pieces, not all of them, kind of to keep the little beach wave look. You can also make beach waves on purpose by curling. I'm curling away. I just find that all my curls look better when I curl away. But if you want to do like half away from your hair or from your face and half towards your face, it'll make a really nice beach wave look. So I sprayed on the Care Silk and Sheen for a little shine and a little bit of my Sebastian Shapers for a little bit of hold while the curls set. I'm going to let them continue to set while I go ahead and beat my face. Huge difference. I love when my face is beat. I wish I could just wake up like this. So I allowed the curls to set while I went ahead and did my makeup. I did kind of play with the kids and stuff, so the hair got a little bit frizzy. So quick fix, added a little bit of the Paul Mitchell, what is this, my foam wrap lotion. You can use Lotta Body or any brand. My favorite usually is the Care one, which I'm going back to really soon. So I went ahead and added that to the base of the head, or the crown of the head. And I'm just going to go ahead and lock that in with the edge of the flat iron or the curling iron. And that kind of just helps the hair to look a little bit more finished, if you will. Now we're going to go ahead and curl or comb the curls out. Use a shower comb or your fingers. Don't use like a rat tail comb or anything thin, because they will pull the curls out even more. Your left curl, or my right curl, held up beautifully, but as you can see, the one on my left side kind of dropped really bad. So I did find that after heat processing the hair, or not heat processing, what am I talking about? After adding the bleach to the hair, I did find that the hair actually did very well. It wasn't shedding. It wasn't really frizzy. Kind of frizzy around the root. I don't know if you can see that, kind of like a little bit of the flyaways, but it did not hold the curl as well as the rest of the hair. So understand that when you do add bleach to your hair, you pretty much are damaging your hair. So regardless of whatever, be mindful that your hair might not ever be the same again. In this case, I think it did very well. This is a subtle way to test the hair and see like if it'll bleach, how well it'll bleach. If you want to take the risk of going ahead and like dyeing the whole head, starting with a small piece like this can help, you to see what's going to happen to the hair, because I have had hair that bleached it and the whole thing fell apart. I had to call the company and be like, yo, you want this back, because I can't do nothing with it. So this hair did beautifully. It is scary when you bleach hair. I should have shown, I'm so sorry I didn't, how the hair looked. And you see it held the curl very well. You just have to let it set. But I did go ahead and I did notice that after you bleach the hair, when you first look at it, it looks blonde. It almost looks like an orange version of 613. So you have to go ahead and rinse it out and do that purple shampoo to see what the true color is, and allow the hair to air dry. After that, again, I'm adding a little bit of Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. This color is amazing for my skin complexion, which is why I did not go ahead and tone it or bleach it a second time. But the next time I might bleach it a second time to get it to like a brighter 613. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see how poppin' this looks. It makes the hair look like a whole different look, right? Link to this hair from Westkiss, my original view on this hair, all that is in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Turn on your notifications, subscribe, comment, like. Love ya.